Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to add an image in a Weebly blog. So just before I show you that, if you're checking out Weebly just for trying to find what website editor you're looking for, then this is available as a link in the description down below as a full free trial version for you today. So if you give that link a click, that'll take you through to a free trial version of it. So as you can see, I've got my blog page open. I'm going to presume that you're adept at doing that. We've got a detailed description video of how to create a blog page on the channel and how to create a blog. However, the process of putting an image into a blog page is actually identical to the process of putting it into a normal page on Weebly. So that's all you need to do is hit the little image elements, drag that in, and that will allow you then to select and upload an image to input onto that. I'll just put a random one in there for now. And as you can see, that image will then display on the website once it's uploaded in the blog, just like that. So yeah, you can, as you can see, sort of make some basic edits to the image and kind of give it different performance-based settings are accessible right there, as well as a justification and a couple of different things like caption. You could make it a light box and things like that, you know. So yeah, this easy to import, easy to manage, but like I said, it just works exactly like a normal web page. So once you hit post, you will be able to see that blog, and there it is there in the list of blogs as well, with the image on display. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, there's a free trial version of Weebly available down below as a link in the description. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.